Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, today I'm going to do...
It's a long way to the top if you want to rock and roll. Dazza!
Oh my goodness.
Good day.
Well, hello.
Hello.
You're just in time to do a special Australia Day video.
Am I? All right.
Oh.
My name is Dazza.
Yes.
I'm very happy to be cooking today.
Oh, that's good. Well, unfortunately, we're not going to cook with beer today.
Oh no! Before you start anything, I just want to say, I like pie.
Ah,
I like a certain type of pie.
Yeah, what?
If you know what I mean.
Yeah.
But I heard you were making pies today.
I am, but what's your favourite pie?
Well, 4 and 20.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's gotta be one of those, you know, the servo
yeah,
pies.
But what's in those pies?
The good stuff.
What is the good stuff?
Like I don't know if I could say on this channel.
Yeah, well, just say it.
Like the meat.
Oh no. No. Well, as you know, it's a vegan channel, so we won't be putting any meat in the pies.
Look, Suza, if you can convince me to have like a vegan pie,
Yeah.
I think I'll be right, you know?
Yeah.
If you can convince me.
Try.
All right.
So actually, I'm going to surprise you because it's going to look like the meat pie that you normally eat, but it's not going to taste like that.
Well, you know what they say. They say looks can be very deceiving.
Yeah,
Very deceiving.
Very deceiving. So this pie is actually going to be a dessert pie.
Oh.
Because I do desserts, as you may have guessed. So our ingredient is going to be apples and some dates. First you have to chop the apples. So do you know how to chop the apples? You can have a go. Just chop it in half first. Yeah. Okay. Now the tricky bit is just take out the core. So I'll do that one. Chop it into small pieces. So I usually just chop it like this. Oops. Be carefully.
Is it like
just like
dicing?
Yeah. Oh, yes. Very
Oh.
good. That's good. Look at that. You know how to dice an apple. Okay,
right.
good.
All right.
So I'll do this one as well. You seen Crocodile Dundee?
Mate.
And what he does with
mate. I am Crocodile Dundee.
So put the apples in here now. Yeah, all of them. Oh yeah, that's better. She grates some lime zest.
Oh, like that?
Well, no, we'll use the grater.
Oh.
Okay, now we have to get the juice. So you can do that if you're strong enough. Are you strong enough?
Are you guys ready?
Oh no. I think this is a tough one. Oh no. Maybe you should try to cut it instead. Now you can squeeze
All right.
the juice.
This is
So you
round
can,
2, all right?
Yeah, squeeze it or use that, whatever.
Nah.
Oh dear. Oh, right. Now we're going to add some spice.
Ooh.
This will make
Look,
it tasty.
normally I don't do spice, all right?
Yeah.
I don't do spice. I like me food bland, all right?
Yeah, well, I don't. No, actually, you won't really notice the spice. It'll just add to the flavour
All right.
and make it more tasty. Plus, healthier as well. So, do you want to put in a couple of little spoonfuls of cinnamon? One of cloves. You can smell that cloves is very strong.
Mate.
We'll try just a little spoon of ginger. And ginger's very good for you.
Suza, you're starting to remind me of my ex-wife, all right?
Oh no! That's not good.
Or is it?
Well, I don't know. That's why. So, just to bring out the flavour. Okay, yeah. So now we just need to add like a little bit of water so it doesn't burn.
You mean a bit of this? Oh, yes.
Well, it might be good, but not today. Ah, good. I'm going to put it on the stove for about 5 minutes or so.
Right.
So it can soften. Okay, we'll just leave that there for now. So we've got to make the rest of the filling, which is made from dates. Have you had a date before?
Suze, I've had many dates, all right?
Yeah, I bet you
They
have.
always end with a happy.
Yeah, I'm sure they do. If you got an ex-wife, she must have been very happy. What happened there?
I was just a little bit too fancy for her.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Let's do half a cup of dates. A quarter cup of hot water. Butter. So we need about 2 tablespoons. So that's probably what's left in there. Okay, so this is called Maca Powder.
Oh, Maca.
Yeah, Maca.
Oh, I know this one.
You do? Oh, good. So we put half a tablespoon of that in. That's got a caramel flavour. So now we need a little more salt to make it like a salted caramel. So now we have to blend this.
Like all the golden mixture.
Yeah, so this is date caramel, as you can see. It's a bit lumpy, but doesn't matter. We're going to add that to the apples when they're done. Now we're going to make the pastry.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Have you ever made pastry?
Nah.
So it's not. Well, do you know that pastry is actually not very good for you? So if you eat a lot of pies, you're eating a lot of pastry and processed food, which isn't good for your health.
I'm not fat, all right? Every day I do exercise, all right? Look. 1, 2, 3. But you know the pies? They gave me this.
All right, we're going to make pastry. We're going to make it healthy.
All right.
So instead of flour, we're going to use almond meal. So this is just made by grinding up almonds in the blender. So there we have about 1 1/4 cups of almonds. We'll just put that in there. All right, we're going to, some pastry has eggs.
All right.
And vegans don't eat eggs.
What?
Yeah. We need 2 tablespoons of flax. This is a substitute for egg. Although it doesn't look like egg, it works like egg. 2 tablespoons in there. Yeah. Okay, that's
All
good.
right.
So now we're going to add water and it will become like a gel-like consistency. And after a while it will start to thicken. So it seems thin now, but it will get quite thick after a while. 1/3 of a cup of corn flour. So now we'll put a little more cinnamon in there, about a teaspoon. Nutmeg, that's a nutmeg. And we just grate that in. As you can see, that's become thicker. So it's sort of like the consistency of eggs. So we're just going to add that to that. See how thick it is already?
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
It's really thick now.
Whoa.
To mix it all. Yeah, you can see how it's forming a dough now. That'll be our pastry for the pie. And you just combine it like that. So we're going to roll the dough between 2 sheets of baking paper.
Ah,
Yeah.
I got this.
Yeah. No, it's not a steak. Yeah, that's right. And in both directions. That way too. Yeah. So you get a nice even piece. That's about the
Can
same.
you hear me?
Right. So now we take this part off. Now I've got a pie cutter. So this side's the bottom of the pie and that's the top. So we need 2 bottoms and 2 tops. Try and do it so it all fits in. Yeah, just press it down. Pie maker. My brother gave me this.
Whoa.
Yeah, so I thought I'd test it out and make some pies. So we just wait till it heats up, then we can cook the pies in here. If you don't have a pie maker, you could use an oven to cook the pies.
What's that?
The apple mixture, it's gone softer now.
Ooh.
So we got to add the date caramel to the apples. Mix it all together. That look resembles the pies that you're used to. Because I know you eat meat pies, and doesn't it look a bit like that?
Yes.
Yeah, it does. A bit like a brown slop.
Yes.
Because the pastry doesn't have any oil in it, we'll just oil these a bit first.
Ah, my arm!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Now we need to put the bottom part of the pastry onto there. Push it down gently.
Oh no.
Carefully, because it's hot. Put the top on. Before you put it on, just wet the sides with some water so it sticks. Yeah, and that side as well.
Alright.
Now we just shut this, it should pinch it together.
Ooh.
And it should take about 5 minutes to cook. So you can't have a pie without sauce.
The tomato sauce,
Yeah,
right?
has to be tomato sauce.
Has to be tomato sauce.
We're going to make something that looks like tomato sauce. But it's not really, but it looks like it.
Can I trust you?
Yes, you can.
What's that?
We got strawberries and raspberries here. We're going to make it with that. So just put those in the blender. We're going to put a teaspoon of flax in just to thicken it a little. A little more cinnamon just to flavour it a little, not too much. Just want to give it a bit of a flavour. Yeah. Maple syrup, a teaspoon or half a tablespoon. Blend it. You need to put just a little bit of water in it just to help it blend. Only a tiny bit though, not too much. Ah, yeah. You don't want too much. Or it'll be too runny. We have something that looks a bit like tomato sauce. The pies are cooked now. Oh,
Okay.
you did it.
Yeah.
Made a pie.
Yes, sir. This looks legit.
Yeah,
Looks very legit.
it is, definitely.
But does it taste legit?
Well, that's what we need to find out. Okay, so now I'm going to cut this and you'll see what it looks like on the inside, and whether you recognize the look of it. If I can cut it. It's a bit hard to cut. Ah, okay. So, there we go.
What? No.
What does that look like to you?
That looks like a pie.
Yeah, see?
What?
It looks like a pie.
That.
A meat pie, don't you think?
Are you sure you didn't just go out and buy a pie?
Well, we just made it.
This looks like a pie.
Okay.
Alright.
So we got our nice pies with sauce.
Alright.
Now you just gotta taste.
Alright.
Yeah. Go for it. Oh. So how is it?
I'm sorry, 4 and 20. This is a new pie.
Oh wow.
Oh no, the belly's gonna get bigger now.
Well, this is healthy. It's healthy, remember?
Alright, well, cheers for that, Suza.
Yeah. So now you can have this instead of your regular pie. And it'll be better for you too. Maybe you'll lose some of that.
No.
You think I've converted you to this pie?
Definitely.
Oh, good.
It's a winner!
Oh, good one.
Yeah!
So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.